Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Say we're back out here again at the home show today, out at the fairgrounds here in Indianapolis, and just gonna take a minute to show you a couple other booths out here. I'm gonna run you over to Miracle Method. They're actually a tub refinishing company, something I used to do back in the day when I was back in South Dakota. And so I'm just gonna run you over there and show you some things they do. See if I find anybody else on the way over there to show you guys. Guys are actually up in Carmel today installing a shower for a homeowner. Today and tomorrow they're putting in a new I believe it's a 60-inch shower, 60 by 36 or something shower, fully frameless door, such like that. But we're over here by Miracle Method now, and I'm gonna there's what Phil does now. He's got a pretty pink tub there. What's your address, Phil? Where are you guys located?
Business?
Yeah.
2445 Directors Row.
Here's actually their address where they're located. They're right here in Indianapolis. They do a great job. Miracle Method. Again, it's similar to like what I used to do back there in South Dakota. They got a lot of different finishes though nowadays that they can do. Put on your vanity top or your countertops in your kitchen. So if you're looking for a way to, maybe save a little bit of money, this is a really good alternative. They do bathtubs as well, obviously. They do an easy step too, so if maybe you have a tub yet that is still good and you need to, I don't know, get in and out of the tub easier and just use it as a shower, this is a good alternative. They can do tile as well. Before, obviously, there, and then after. Looks really good. And then they do showers too. This is a full shower. And that's actually Phil.
We do tile repairs and we do tile work. I mean, we got bathrooms.
That sexy guy will come out to your
kitchens
house.
and whatever. We do all kinds of remodeling.
And give you a quote.
But I'm not going to finish a bathroom. I'll tell you that much. But we figured out a way to, the curbs and showers. Now everybody wants curbless showers. We figured out a way to.
So anyway, that's Philly Phil with Miracle Method. What else is out here that you can't live without? I'll actually show you when you come out here. You can see our sign way over there, that blue and white sign. Just look for that and you'll see us. We're in booth 432. We'll be here until Sunday. Today it goes from 11 to 9, tomorrow 11 to 9, Saturday's 10 to 9, and then Sunday will be 10 to 6, I believe. So if you guys want to stop out, it's coming to an end here shortly, a few days left. So stop by, and again, we're actually right by the tiny house, so it's pretty hard to miss.
And we can work as a team, a husband and wife team, to make
Here's our booth. So yeah, stop on out and say hi and see if you can help you out. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.